Does E-trade allow fractional shares? E-trade does allow investors to access fractional shares, but this option is available only through its automated investing program, known as E-trade Core Portfolios. This program is designed to manage portfolios on behalf of users and allocates investments using fractional shares to maintain diversification within the account. However, fractional share trading is not available for self-directed accounts, meaning individual investors cannot buy or sell fractions of shares manually as they can on some competing platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity. The primary advantage of fractional shares through core portfolios is accessibility. It allows investors with limited capital to own portions of high-priced stocks or diversify their portfolios without needing to purchase entire shares. This feature can appeal to newer investors who prioritize ease of use and a hands-off approach to managing their investments. The Core Portfolios program also rebalances accounts periodically to maintain an optimal allocation based on the investor's goals and risk tolerance. On the downside, the lack of availability for self-directed fractional share trading is a significant drawback for more active investors who wish to manage their own portfolios. Competitors like Fidelity and Robinhood provide fractional share trading in standard brokerage accounts, making them more attractive to users seeking flexibility. Furthermore, Core Portfolios comes with an advisory fee of 0.3% annually, which, although reasonable compared to some robo-advisors, adds to the overall cost for investors seeking to use fractional shares. E-trade compensates for this limitation with its broad array of features and tools for traditional trading. Self-directed investors benefit from no-commission trades on stocks and ETFs, along with access to advanced platforms like Power E-trade. These platforms offer extensive technical analysis tools and educational resources, making E-trade a strong contender for active traders and long-term investors who prefer full control over their portfolios. The inability to trade fractional shares manually may deter younger or more budget-conscious investors from fully utilizing E-trade for stock trading. However, the platform's strengths in research, data, and customer service often make it a top choice for investors seeking a robust and reliable trading experience. While fractional shares are a growing trend in the brokerage industry, E-trade's approach reflects its prioritization of managed accounts over self-directed options for this feature.